Space. It's vast, mysterious, and absolutely bonkers. It's filled with more wonders than we could possibly imagine, and yet, we humans are driven by an insatiable curiosity to uncover its secrets. What you learned in school about the cosmos, about planets and stars and galaxies, it barely scratches the surface. What if I told you there are worlds out there where it rains glass sideways, or where a single diamond could dwarf our entire planet? Welcome to your channel name, where we delve deep into the cosmic unknown and explore the most mind-blowing, awe-inspiring facets of our universe. Get ready to have your perception of reality challenged, because today, we're diving headfirst into space facts they definitely didn't teach you in school. You know Jupiter, right? The big guy in our solar system, a swirling mass of gas twice the size of all the other planets combined. It's a true behemoth, but what if I told you that this celestial giant isn't just big, it's our cosmic bodyguard? See, Jupiter's immense gravity doesn't just hold its own moons in check, it acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner for the entire solar system. Imagine a cosmic billiards game, with asteroids and comets hurtling through the darkness. Jupiter, with its powerful gravitational pull, is like the master player, deflecting and redirecting these celestial projectiles, sending them careening away from the inner solar system, away from Earth. Over billions of years, Jupiter has absorbed countless impacts, taking hits for the team, if you will, and protecting us from potentially cataclysmic collisions. It's a cosmic dance of gravity, a delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish on our little blue planet. Think about that the next time you look up at Jupiter in the night sky. That bright, shining point of light isn't just a gas giant, it's a silent guardian, a celestial shield, protecting us from the chaos of the cosmos. Now let's journey beyond our solar system to a place where reality seems stranger than fiction. Buckle up, because we're going to a planet called 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth twice the size of our own, orbiting a star some 40 light-years away in the constellation of Cancer. This isn't your average planet, though. 55 Cancri E is a place of extremes, where the surface temperature sizzles at a scorching 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that in perspective, that's hot enough to melt iron, and it's twice as hot as the lava flowing from our planet's most furious volcanoes. But here's the real kicker. Scientists believe that beneath its fiery exterior, 55 Cancri E harbors a secret. A core made almost entirely of pure, crystallized carbon. In other words, this planet is basically a giant diamond, hurtling through space. We're talking about a diamond so large, so incredibly valuable, that it would make the Hope Diamond look like a speck of dust. Imagine the sparkle. But don't even think about adding this gem to your cosmic collection. The pressure and heat on 55 Cancri E are so extreme that any spacecraft we could build would vaporize long before it even got close. Chapter 3. HD 189733b. A world of glass rain and furious winds. If you thought a diamond planet was wild, hold on to your hats, because our next stop is even more bizarre. Say hello to HD 189733b, a gas giant located about 63 light-years away from Earth. This isn't your typical gas giant, though. HD 189733b is home to weather patterns so extreme they make a hurricane look like a gentle breeze. Imagine this. You're standing on the surface of this planet, if you can even call it a surface. The air is thick and hot, and the sky is a swirling mass of blue. But as you look closer, you realize the blue isn't coming from a peaceful sky, it's coming from rain. And not just any rain, mind you, we're talking about rain made of glass, molten glass, driven sideways by winds that howl at over 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. These winds would make a tornado look like a gentle zephyr. And the rain? Forget umbrellas. You'd need a spaceship made of solid diamond just to stand a chance against this relentless, razor-sharp downpour. So, while the stunning blue hue of HD 189733b might initially seem inviting, remember, appearances can be deceiving. This planet is a stark reminder that the universe is full of wonders, but not all of them are hospitable. Chapter 4. Black Holes, where time bends black holes. Just the name evokes a sense of mystery, of immense power, of a force so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. But black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're also cosmic time machines, warping the very fabric of space-time itself. Imagine this, you're an astronaut on a mission to study a black hole. You're in a specially designed spaceship, able to withstand the immense gravitational forces at play. As you approach the black hole, something strange begins to happen. You look at your watch, and time seems to be ticking normally, but back on Earth, your colleagues are watching you through their telescopes, and to them, time seems to be slowing down for you. You're moving slower, talking slower, even aging slower. This isn't science fiction, this is the mind-bending reality of Einstein's theory of general relativity. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves for you relative to someone farther away. Now let's say you could somehow survive a trip to the event horizon, the point of no return around a black hole. From your perspective, you might only experience a few hours passing by, but back on Earth, eons could have gone by. Civilizations could have risen and fallen. The entire history of humanity could have unfolded before your very eyes. Chapter 5. The Fermi Paradox. Where is everyone? Look up at the night sky. Every twinkling star you see is a sun, many of them far larger and brighter than our own. And around those stars orbit planets, countless planets, some of them perhaps similar to our own Earth. Now consider this. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars. And our galaxy is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. It's enough to make your head spin. With so many stars, so many planets, it seems almost statistically impossible that we're alone in the universe. So, where is everyone? This, my friends, is the Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously posed this question back in 1950. If intelligent life is indeed common in the universe, why haven't we encountered any evidence of it yet? Think about it. Even if only a tiny fraction of those planets developed life, and an even smaller fraction developed intelligent life, the sheer number of potential civilizations out there is staggering. So why the cosmic silence? There are many theories, of course. Perhaps advanced civilizations wipe themselves out through self-destruction, or maybe they choose to remain hidden from us. Or perhaps, just perhaps, we are truly alone in this vast cosmic ocean, a chilling thought, but one that underscores the preciousness of life on our own planet. The Fermi Paradox is a humbling reminder that for all our scientific advancements, we still know so little about the universe and the mysteries it holds. It's a question that continues to challenge our assumptions, ignite our imaginations, and fuel our quest to explore the cosmos. Outrow, we are stardust, and the universe is our story. Space isn't just out there, it's part of our story. The atoms in your body were forged in the heart of exploding stars, scattered across the cosmos, and eventually found their way to this pale blue dot we call home. You are literally stardust. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're part of something unimaginably vast. And maybe, just maybe, space is trying to tell us a story. A story of creation, of destruction, of endless possibilities. If this blew your mind even a little, imagine what's coming next. Hit that like button so more space lovers find this video, subscribe for more cosmic deep dives, and comment below with the craziest space fact you know. I might feature it in the next video. Until then, stay curious, and keep looking up.